Today I'll be making a fun game that consists of a board full of holes, so it's often called Swiss cheese. I'll start by cutting down some 1/2-inch plywood to around 12 inches wide and 21 inches long. Then I'll cut some 1/8-inch plywood to the same size. These two pieces will make the vertical board. I made a pattern for the layout of the pitfall holes, and I'll mark their centers. Those will be drilled by hand all the way through the 1/2-inch board. They're a mix of 2, 1.5, and 1-inch diameters, plus a smaller one at the top. That's where you're trying to navigate the ball to. I started with the 2-inch ones. A bit of a challenge to do by hand with such a large bit, but the plywood cut well once they were started. When the holes are cut out, I'll give them an 1/8-inch round over. For the base, I'm using some more of the 1/2-inch plywood and gluing 2 of them together to make a thicker foundation. When that dries, I'll trim it down to its final dimensions. So here are all the pieces: the base, the board of holes, and the back. Next, I'll glue the board and back together. I want to avoid getting too much glue around the holes since it will be hard to clean up the squeeze out. This whole vertical board will need to sit back at an angle in the base, so I'll cut the top and bottom to 10 degrees. Now I can cut a matching angled groove in the base. To do that, I'll keep my blade at 10 degrees and make a series of cuts until the board fits just right. This leaves ridges along the bottom of the groove, but they can be cleaned up with a router plane. I'll make sure everything is sanded and rounded off. Then the two parts are glued together. The last thing to make is what I'm calling the carriage. This is the part that is moved around with strings and carries the ball to the top. I'm using maple for mine, and I'll drill a hole in the center, then cut it out on the scroll saw. A bit of sanding to clean it up, and then I'll round off the edges. To finish it up, I'm spraying everything with lacquer. The nice thing about this is its drying time, so you can apply several coats pretty quickly. After the last one, it gets buffed to make a smooth surface. Next, the screw eyes go in. 2 in the upper corners of the board, and 2 in the carriage. Then I'll tie on some string, thread it through the screw, and tie the other end to a metal keyring, one on each side. And this game is done. To play, a little metal ball sits in the carriage. Then by pulling on the strings, you weave through the holes and try to get to the top. Fall into one of them and you lose. But make it all the way to the small one at the top and you win. So there it is, a quick and easy build that all ages can enjoy. You could even make a larger version and have more of an outdoor party game. Lots of possibilities for size, shape, and layout. Have fun, and thanks for watching.